If you love French onion soup like I do, you're gonna love this. Tender meatballs, caramelized onions, melted cheese, and it's way easier than you think. Let me show you. We're gonna start with the onions because they take the longest. Slice 2 onions in half, then cut them into about 1/4-inch slices. Toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, a good pinch of salt and pepper, then spread them into a pan. Once your air fryer is preheated to 350, add the onions and cook them for about 20 minutes, giving them a good stir every 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft and nicely brown. While those are cooking, let's make the meatballs. Start with 1 pound of ground beef, then add half a packet of dry onion soup mix, a 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs, a 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, 1 egg, a half teaspoon of dried thyme and salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything together until it's combined and then divide into 8 evenly sized meatballs. Once the onions are ready, crank your air fryer up to 380 degrees and place the meatballs right on top of the onions. Air fry for 14 minutes or until they reach an internal temp of 160 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping the meatballs halfway through. When they're done, remove the meatballs and spoon off a couple tablespoons of the excess grease, leaving a little behind for flavor. Now mix together 6 ounces of water, the rest of our onion soup mix, a teaspoon of Worcestershire, and a half teaspoon of thyme. Now pour that over the onions, give it a mix, and let everything cook for another 4 minutes. Now set the meatballs back on top, scatter a handful of croutons over the onions, and cover everything with slices of Swiss cheese. Air fry for another 2 minutes or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and irresistible. Plate the onions first, stack the meatballs on top, and finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan. Everything you love about French onion soup made easy in the air fryer. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.